Blocking ads on Temu mobile is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can block ads on Temu mobile. So there are multiple types of ad. So it could be due to your virus as well. In order to identify if you have virus in your mobile phone, you just need to go to your settings, and in the setting you have to search for apps, and in the apps you have to find any unknown apps that have installed in your device. You just need to uninstall them. So if I go to the app setting, I will be able to see all the apps. You just need to find any of the unknown apps. Just make sure you don't uninstall those apps which are default apps or the software apps like package installer and stuff. So this is the first thing that you can identify if your mobile phone has a virus or not. The second thing is you are seeing these kind of notifications and you want to you don't want to get it anymore. So for that you have to long press it and you have to turn it off. What it will do is it will turn off these ads type of notification from your notification bar. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can block ads of Temu on your mobile phone. Hope you guys find this video helpful.